You guys, today we're taking both cars to get all the tires replaced on it. The 32 really needs them replaced, all 4 tires. The rears are pretty bald. And the E55, this tire is so bad. I'm not sure if you can see it, but the inside is pretty much worn out. So we'll also go ahead and replace these. Some of them, they have different specs on them. Like the rear is supposed to be 265 35 18s, and I think one of them is like 265 40 18s, or I can't remember. And the front, I think one of them is also not the right spec. That's why we're going to replace them today. It's gonna be a vlog day, but stay tuned. It should be a pretty fun vlog. I'll catch you guys on the road. Dude, I thought I messed up on the GPS because you turned over there. I guess yours turned you.
Mine told me to go there, yeah.
Okay, mine told me to go straight.
I told you my GPS didn't know where it was going.
I turned around and I was like, oh shoot, my GPS isn't catching up. So I thought it was my fault.
I mean, mine told me to turn there, but it wasn't the right way.
And then I turned here and then you're right behind me. I was like, what? What's going on? Yeah, we're in the wrong part of town.
Yeah.
When I came in,
These welcome here. These cars are not
a bunch of BMWs. We stopped real quick because David was getting his BMW serviced. So he's just gonna be tagging along with us to the tire shop.
Yep.
And then go from there. So what did you get done?
So
I forgot.
I came to do brakes, and they were like, "No, don't worry, they're just high performance brakes."
I told you,
Yeah.
dude. I told you race brakes.
Yeah.
They squeak.
Yeah, they squeak.
I mean, if you don't like it, then you can probably go ceramic or something. I don't know what they are right now. Yeah.
Yeah. So they said I could just come back when I do my oil change.
Gotcha.
I'm thinking I might do. Might have to do the next oil change ourselves. It's
not
not bad. I just want to like try it once.
Gotcha. Yeah.
And then my sunroof, they reset it, so now it works. That's it. It took like less than like 5 minutes.
Nice.
So
that's good then.
dang, I wanted to ride in the E55, so I was really hoping to leave my car here.
All right, so GPS told me to take 285. Keep going south. I don't know what.
South?
Yeah, for some reason. Huh? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Do you have your GPS on or no?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, I think he's gonna try to pull out. He has the same tint on his mirror that you do on the C32.
Oh yeah. So we're getting the tires on. I'm waiting to do the E55, but I'm doing the 32 right now.
Okay.
Just because I was saying, I realized something. So I'm pretty sure the back wheel here got swapped with the front wheel here, because this wheel, it says it's a 265 35 18, and this one is a 245 40 18. So I'm thinking this is the front wheel and that's the rear wheel. Other than that, the other side is all good to go. I mean, I could be wrong. This could actually be the rear wheel and they just have the tires put on different wheels. But I'm pretty sure this is the front wheel and that's the rear, because the 265 fits really nice on that wheel, and the 45 on here has a little bit more sidewall than the front right there.
1 hour later.
You guys ignore the brake dust, but all the tires are installed. Man, they look a lot better. They feel a lot better. If you guys are wondering what tires these are pretty budget tires, but they're ultra high performance all season. That's it right there. can't even, Lexani. So I'm running 245 45 17s in the rear, and the front 235 45 17s. Obviously I'm running just the regular specs for the E55, which is 245 40 18s and 265 35 18s. But yeah, they're looking really good on the E55 and the 32. The 32, I went with a little bit thicker profile, and it looks really good. Like the car is lowered again, like the rear is not lowered, but I like how it looks. It's pretty meaty. Honestly, it might need some air off of it, depends. I think they're all in 35 psi, but I'll double check once I get home. I want to show you guys real quick garage update as well. It's cool having the M112K and the M113K. Let me pop the hood real quick. I know a lot of you, after posting the CLK video of it leaving, some of you are pretty sad about it, but I mean, come on, I need to hear down in the comments below, you would rather have content on the M113K than the naturally aspirated? It depends, because a lot of you guys own the M113, and yeah, it made sense to watch those videos and learn, see modifications. But man, yeah, I did a lot to it, and still on the channel you guys can check out. I am super excited about this car. This, you guys already know, this is my dream car, M113K, along with the M112K. So I hope you guys are excited about the E55, the M113K. I've got big plans for it. So if you guys are new to the channel, definitely go ahead, subscribe. Also, smash the like button so you know the videos can help out getting this car built, and as well as this car. It was fun hanging out with my buddy, his BMW. You guys have seen that car on the channel, the 550i. He kept saying he wants to see how that goes against the E55, but I'm pretty sure the E55 is probably going to take it. He's pushing around 462 and foot-pounds. Was it 490, something like that? I can't remember the specs. And obviously I have more torque. Any car with more torque is going to win over horsepower. We'll see. Maybe I might do a video on that and let you guys know how that turns out. And then he wants to get his tune by Race IQ and then run it again, compare it, see how a stock E55 does with a 2018 BMW 550i. I think it's a competition. Is it a competition? Yeah, I have no clue, but now he's saying he wants an M5. The M5s are cooler because obviously the Mercedes, they've got the AMGs, and the M5 is pretty much the same thing as like Mercedes, their AMG. That is an update on that. Hopefully that will be coming out sometime soon. If you guys really enjoy this content, go ahead and smash the like button again. You guys subscribe to the channel, help out the channel. I would really love to hear a lot of you guys' comments down below, just so you know I can interact with you guys and go from there. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, take care.
Yeah, birds in the truck, they gon' stink. Tomorrow, serving the act out of big beat.